Pwede na, Didi. No. Pwede na.
My Great Dane wanting to eat him.
There's nothing you can do to stop it.
Kevin, why is the neighbor's golden retriever pregnant? I'm not even mad. I just want to know how you did it. Like,
Hey, we have a friend. Oh, he took the cheese.